If you're tired of always like copying and pasting things or like having to retype things all the time over and over again, and then you have to go search for the thing that you need to copy and paste in your notes, then you need to learn about this Google Chrome extension that's free and that can help you save so much time and energy so you don't have to spend time looking in your notes to find it, to copy it, and to paste it where you need to be. And that feature you need is something called Text Blaze. What it does is it creates a shortcut for something that you constantly copy and paste and you use on a regular basis. So for example, if you have a pitch email that you constantly always copy and paste, you can just put it in here and put like a short code for it and type it in, and it automatically pops up in whatever window you're in for Google Chrome. So let me show you. If you go over here to go down and you're going to go to Text Blaze and you're going to open that up real quick. All right, so it has all these things and you can create a new snippet, but I'm just gonna show you, like, these are some of mine. So like, for example, this is my YouTube Shorts description. So I just type in /KT Shorts and it shows up and you just hit enter. I know I need shorter codes, but like I need to know which one's which. And then I have hashtags also, hashtag groups. I have a business ideas prompt. You could just do really short like codes for it. So it just pops up. So let me show you an example. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in my short link. And there you go. It just, everything popped out all at once. Is that not the most amazing thing you've ever seen? Because seriously, it saves me so much time and energy, and I need to invest in putting more time into actually doing this because like I'm always the one that's like looking in notes. So if this was helpful, go ahead and hit the follow button.